It's Mackenzie, my grade assistant.
Jocelyn. And today, since we're getting close to Easter time, we decided we wanted to make you an Easter craft. So today on Mac's Magic Crafts Corners, we are going to make Mickey's Marbled Easter eggs. Before we get started, we just want to let you know that we've already hard-boiled these eggs, and the ones that are going to be non-edible that we use in the shaving cream have already sat in the vinegar for 20 minutes. And we are going to make both edible and non-edible Mickey's Marbled Easter eggs for you today, so that you can do either one you choose at home. And first we are going to start with the non-edible, which is what we're going to use in shaving cream. And then we will move on to the edible ones, which we'll use in Cool Whip.
So let's get to it. You will be needing shaving cream, food coloring, a cookie sheet, eggs, water, bamboo sticks, rubber gloves, and Mickey's. Let's get started.
For our first step, we are going to fill this cookie sheet with 1 inch of shaving cream. Okay, at this point we're going to go ahead and smooth out the shaving cream before we add the food coloring to it.
Our bamboo sticks.
So we'll just smooth it out real quick, kind of like frosting a cake.
Except it's not a cake.
So smooth it out, and then once you get it smoothed out, we'll go ahead and add the food coloring to this.
We got 2 packs because they have different colors in them. We got a neon pack and just a regular pack.
Okay, so before we go ahead and roll in the eggs, we are going to place our Mickey head stickers wherever we would like them on our eggs before we roll them. That way, after we're done coloring them, when we take the stickers off, you'll be able to see the Mickey heads all throughout the coloring. So go ahead and we'll make sure it's nice and flat on the egg. And this is really your own personal preference, where you want to place these, how you want to do it, if there's some cool design you would like to do. The most important thing is just make sure they are nice and flat on the egg so that the shaving cream can't get inside of them. Okay. Then you can go ahead and put your gloves on. And then pick the 2 colors that you want to mix together on yours. And make sure you only do it on a section, okay?
So you can do.
Yeah, that way you can do other colors. Right. So there's what it looks like with the Mickey head stickers on. Okay, there's that. I'm gonna go ahead and put my gloves on. Okay, what color was that? Blue? Oh, purple. Uh-huh. And then I'm going to do
You want the neon green?
green and red, and I'll do this. Thank you. So I'll do some red.
Okay.
Like that.
Do I just mix? No, do I
Take your stick and just run it through there.
Should I get a new one or should
No, use the one you have. And make streaks.
This is so cool.
So see how it's swirling the colors together like this? That's perfect. That's exactly what you want to happen. Blend those colors in. I might actually do 3 colors here just to make mine not look so Christmassy.
My one add the others.
And you can see how you just do 1 section for each color. That way you can do more colors. I'm going to go ahead and add blue to mine.
You want the neon blue?
No, this will do. Just to mix in the, get some of the Christmas color out of here. Okay.
Look at this, Mom.
Yeah, look, this looks fantastic. These are going to be cool.
Yeah. Get all the food.
Okay, yours is good. Yours is good. Okay, so at this point you're going to roll your eggs and place them on a paper towel sitting here. That way they have time to dry. You should let them sit for at least 20 minutes after you go ahead and roll them. So go ahead and cover the entire egg.
Whoa, this is cool. Whoa, sounds like getting all the shaving cream.
Throughout the egg. So this looks fantastic. Okay, so we'll let these sit to dry.
That's weird.
Okay, so for our next set of colors we're going to do, I'm using red and yellow.
I'm doing pink, purple, and green.
And here we go. Okay. There you go. I'm just going to go ahead and roll here.
I have to mix up the color real quick, and then I'll start rolling. Oh, seriously, no, I use Christmas colors.
It's okay, you added purple.
So this is
Make sure you
supposed
cover your
to be
whole
pink.
egg. This looks great. This will be a fun one. So that's what it looks like, and we're just gonna let it sit here and dry. And like I said, you'll go ahead and rinse this in water after they're dry, and it gets all the excess shaving cream off of it.
Okay, let's start rolling.
Okay, here we go. I think you're completely covered. Go ahead and set it there.
I can't reach over there.
Okay.
It's like
And
a
so there you have it. That's the 4 we're gonna do with the shaving cream. So please do not eat those ones that you use with the shaving cream. And next we're going to swap this out with a pan of Cool Whip and kind of do the same thing, except you'll be able to eat those eggs. So it'll be a lot of fun and delicious. Okay, we're back, and next we're going to show you how to make the edible eggs. So we will start with the Cool Whip. Mackenzie is going to
Scoop it out with the
scoop
scooper.
it out onto the pan, and the same thing, about 1 inch thick on the pan, and then we'll smooth it out.
Oh, there it goes.
So we'll smooth it out and get this pan covered. Okay, that looks good. So now we're going to do the same thing we just did,
So we're gonna put our
and
gloves
throw our gloves on here and add our food coloring. So let's put our gloves on.
on. That'll twist it.
What colors are you doing, Mackenzie?
I think I'm gonna do another blue, maybe purple and pink.
Yeah, I think purple and pink is good. And then maybe I'll do a blue and green. How about that?
Whoa, I squirted.
Okay. Okay. And I will roll.
Just need to get some right over
Oh, this
here.
looks outstanding. Okay, so there's blue and green. Looks great. I can't wait to wash that one off and look at it. Mackenzie's doing a pink and purple.
Okay. Edible.
Yeah, you're right. I should have my edible ones. We don't mix those up. Perfect. All right, so now we're going to choose our second colors,
I'm gonna do blue and red.
and I'm going to do pink and green. Okay, time to roll.
It's time to roll. Rock and roll.
Okay, we'll set that one there. Help you. You got it? Okay, so now that we've made both kinds, the non-edible with the shaving cream and the edible eggs with the Cool Whip. So for now, we're going to let these sit for 20 minutes to dry, and then we'll go ahead and rinse them in the water and see how they look. We're so excited to see the end result. Okay, we're back. We have now let these eggs that we put in the shaving cream sit for 20 minutes. So we're going to rinse them in the water, roll them a little bit on the paper towel to let them dry, but do not wipe them or like scrub them because it'll definitely make the color run. We have already done one, and you can see how cool the little hidden Mickeys look on there. So we're excited to see the rest. So go ahead, Mackenzie, dunk your next one. Just do it real quick, okay? Go ahead and set it on the paper towel, and I will roll them to dry them off and to get any excess shaving cream on there. And I'm just gonna pat them just a little bit. Okay, and then Mackenzie will do the next one. And then after they dry for a second, we can peel off the Mickey head stickers, and then you can see the rest. Go ahead and dunk the next one, Mac. Yeah, dunk real quick. Okay, put it on and roll. And this helps get the rest of the shaving cream off. We're trying to not let them sit too long in the water because we want the stickers to come off, okay? So if they get too wet, then they're too hard to peel off. So we will just let these sit. Okay, let's do the next one. These are looking great. Scoot all this forward. Okay, there you go.
I like that one.
This one looks great, yeah. So I'm going to go back to this one, make sure it's dry here, and take the Mickeys off.
I'm going to scoot this so I can take some Mickeys off too.
Okay. So I try to find where it's like picked up just a little to peel off, just to make it a little easier. Yep. And then peel off. I'm going to stick it over here on this thing. So like there, I just peeled off the first one, and look how cool that looks with the Mickey on there. It's so cool. This is awesome. So this looks awesome. Look at that. So cool. So cool.
I think I'm done.
Oh, show everybody, Mackenzie. That looks great. Okay, so now we are going to rinse the ones that we did in Cool Whip that you'll be able to eat. So, Mackenzie, go ahead and start rinsing. And same theory applies here. Do one little quick dunk onto the napkin, roll. Try not to wipe too much. These ones we're going to dunk twice. Go ahead and dunk twice, Mac. Just, it has a little more, it's just a little extra on there than the shaving cream. And then just do the whole roll. These you have to dry off a little more. And you definitely have to pat them. So just pat, pat, pat. Try not to wipe too much. And I'll let that sit for a second while I roll this one and Matt keep dunking. How's it look?
Good.
So now we're going to zoom in and show you one of the finished eggs, and so that you can really get a good look at how great the Mickey heads look. We're really, really happy with how these turned out. Okay, so we're done. This is what our finished product looks like. We're displaying our non-edible eggs inside this gorgeous Easter basket that we picked up at the store. So you can see how great it looks as a display for your guests that are coming over for Easter dinner. And for the ones that you used Cool Whip on that you want to eat, please make sure you refrigerate them so they don't get spoiled.
Thanks for joining us on Max Magic Crafts.
We hope to see you again next time, and we hope you try this at home. And if you do, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Thanks!